Imagine your high-end smartwatch losing battery life faster than a teenager loses interest in homework. That's precisely what some Garmin Venu X1 owners have been dealing with until now, but here's where it gets controversial. While many are celebrating the latest update, others are questioning if Garmin has truly fixed all the underlying issues. Garmin has rolled out a new beta update for its premium Venu X1 smartwatch, aiming to tackle a persistent problem that had users reaching for their chargers more often than they'd like. The update, currently in beta as version 12.63, promises to resolve the rapid battery drain bug that had been plaguing some Venu X1 users. This isn't just any smartwatch. The Venu X1 is Garmin's latest and greatest, boasting a 2-inch AMOLED display, a sleek rectangular design, and weighing in at a mere 40 grams, making it Garmin's thinnest smartwatch to date. But is this update enough to silence the critics? Some users are still skeptical about the long-term reliability of Garmin's software updates. What do you think? Is this the fix you've been waiting for, or do you have lingering doubts? This update follows closely on the heels of Beta 12.61, which brought a fresh wave of bug fixes and optimizations. Released just weeks ago, Beta 12.59 introduced new features that users are still getting accustomed to. With Beta 12.63, Garmin is addressing two specific issues: the rapid battery drain and the display of invalid data on the altitude graph. But that's not all. The update also includes various minor bug fixes, general performance improvements, and updated translations for Garmin Connect Mobile. For those eager to try it out, Beta 12.63 is only available upon request. Users must navigate through the main menu, Settings, System, and Software Update on their Venu X1 before tapping Check for Updates. This move by Garmin highlights the company's commitment to improving user experience, but it also raises questions about the reliability of smartwatch software. As wearables become increasingly integrated into our daily lives, the importance of seamless performance cannot be overstated. So, what do you think? Are you willing to give Garmin's latest update a try, or do you prefer to wait and see how others fare? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.